Welcome to my channel, everybody. Mango Girl here, and I'm going to be showing everybody how to make this beautiful cleansing toner. It's for UV ray sensitive skin, and it can also remove dirt, oil, and stubborn makeup. These are our list of ingredients that we're going to need today. We're going to need some hibiscus leaves, pre-steeped in distilled water, guava extract, glycerin, rose absolute, and jojoba oil, PEG6 Caprylic Capric Triglyercides is going to be the surfactant in the formula. All right, and I'll just let you guys read the rest of the ingredients there. So I'm going to tell you once, tell you twice, tell you 3 times. Disinfect all of your tools. This is going to be used on your face. This toner is going on your face. So you want to make sure everything you're using is super clean, guys. All right, step 1 here. We're going to steep those hibiscus leaves in the distilled water, okay? Welcome to the ingredient spotlight. Hibiscus flower, which is the star of the show, of course, today, tones, hydrates, and firms the skin naturally. It also contains naturally occurring AHAs and can actually help to reverse damage from UV rays. Lots of skincare products on the market contain synthetic versions, which can make your skin more vulnerable to skin damage. One of those instances where natural is just better overall. All right, let's dip right into it, everybody. All right, so we're gonna scale out our tea water, scale our guava extract straight into the bottle, put the top on, and shake well to disperse that powder throughout. You wanna make sure it's done really well. All right, so you just kind of see me just going slowly. I just want you guys to be able to see everything. With the guava powder, it is water soluble and your water does not need to be heated for it to completely disperse, which is great. So you can use this for cold or hot formulations. It's up to you. All right, so the guava extract there, as you can see, it's just very powdery. Well, it is powder, so maybe I should say more soft. Yeah, more soft. It's like a soft powder. Very, very fine. All right, so as you can see, I'm just carefully just measuring it straight into the bottle. All right. And the maximum usage for your guava extract is going to be 0.50%. All right, you don't want to go over that. Extracts are very concentrated ingredients and you don't want to go over to irritate your skin at all. All right, so we just shook that up and we've got everything dispersed. So now we're going to get into scaling out all of our oils and our surfactant. So here I've only chosen one oil, and it's got a essential oil concentrate within the oil. So it's rose absolute in jojoba oil. And then we're going to use our surfactant here, the PEG6, to make that oil soluble because we're not using an emulsifier in this, right? So we need to bind this oil and the water and we need to make sure it stays that way and it doesn't come floating at the top of the bottle. So I kind of want a no-no here. You're usually supposed to measure out your surfactant first, then your oil, and then combine. All right, guys, so next time just kind of reverse that. It's not like a huge deal if you did. You may still get some residue, but as I said, just try to do that reverse next time. So we're gonna mix it. You wanna make sure it's completely incorporated, the rose absolute jojoba, into that surfactant. All right, so we're just gonna put it right back into the bottle again. And then we're gonna shake that bottle up just like we did with the guava extract. And then we will be able to add our last phase in to the formulation. All right. Okay, so we got another ingredient spotlight, Honeyquat PF. is a humectant and moisturizer, and you can just enjoy the benefits of honey and use it in such a product like a toner without having a sticky feel. So it's water soluble. It'll just sort of just blend in with the water. And we're actually on that stage right now, okay? So at this stage, we're going to add our Panthenol, we're gonna add the Honeyquat PF, and we're gonna add the Glycerin. Now, just a quick little tip that I kind of realized a little later. You can add your glycerin in the first stage with the guava, okay? So you can kind of combine those, use the glycerin as a solvent with that, and just put it in the mixture as well. So whatever you choose to do, it will come out great, okay? So I've chosen the Honeyquat, as I said before, as a humectant, a secondary humectant to the glycerin. The Panthenol, because I wanted to get some vitamins in there. Our skin needs vitamins. And I found that that was just kind of a good round off of everything that we needed in the formula. Yeah, so this part of you just kind of watching me put it in there. Kind of be careful. You think that these little drops are very light, but you have to really watch with Panthenol and Honeyquat. They actually weigh quite a bit, so sometimes you can go over without even, trying. So please, please, please be careful with that. And as you see, everything I have is in small bottles, and when I'm sort of experimenting or I'm trying new things, I really like to just grab little bottles of it, right? Because if it's just not something I don't like, I won't be stuck with it. And I think that's very important. All right, so we are on to our preservatives. So I have chosen a natural preservative system. So the Amticide Coconut, and then the Leucidal Liquid SF Max. I really like both of these. I find that they actually work as added additives to the formulation. So they don't just work as a preservative system, they work as, they're functioning ingredients. And I'm kind of liking what it's doing for my skin. In general, you can usually use FS Max on its own, but I'm using the Amticide Coconut as well, just for a little extra, coverage on the bacteria, mold, fungi line, and just to enjoy the benefits of the coconut extract that is actually in this as well. Okay, guys? All right, so we're gonna put that lid back on, and we're gonna shake, 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 Sonora. Shake your body now. Shake. So shake, shake, shake. You're gonna shake it really, really well. Okay, you wanna make sure everything's incorporated, and that's your toner. You're done. That's it. Now you can use it on your face and take photo shoots like I do. All right? Thank you guys for watching again, eh? And come and join me on my next video. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.